man was arrested along with a huge cache of smuggled arms by a combined team of Moray Police and Moray Commando at Kondong Lairimbi Police Checkpost along Imphal Moray Road yesterday. The team, after a tip-off, intercepted a Maruti Swift Desire car with registration number WB02AF3805 at Kondong Lairimbi Police Checkpost and seized the smuggled arms, police said. India recorded more than 10,000 fresh cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 for the first time in a single day, taking the country's tally to 2,97,538, the Union Health Ministry's data showed today. There were 10,956 COVID-19 cases and 396 deaths in the last 24 hours, recording another steep rise in numbers, according to the Health Ministry's dashboard. India also climbed to the 4th spot in the list of nations worst hit by the coronavirus pandemic after the US, Brazil and Russia, a media report said. The spread of novel coronavirus in Guwahati has emerged as a concern for health authorities in Assam. The city, which has seen a spike in COVID-19 cases, currently has 30 active containment zones. According to Health Department data, Assam has reported more than 3,400 COVID-19 cases, including 145 on Thursday and 235 on Wednesday, and 6 deaths. The state has 1,989 active cases as of Friday morning. The number of COVID-19 positive cases in Mizoram rose to 104 today. 2 more tested positive during the last 24 hours. This was informed in a tweet by the state DIPR, which is tracking the COVID-19 scenario in the state. According to a media report, there are 103 active cases in the state. Meanwhile, Nagaland registered 17 new COVID-19 positive cases today. These new cases are among the 67 samples tested yesterday in Dibrugarh. The results of the High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2020 conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, BOSEM, will be announced on 15th June, the board informed today. Some unidentified persons hurled and exploded a hand grenade in the courtyard of Thobal Moijing Gram Panchayat Pradhan, Moijing Mayum Hibjur Rahman in the wee hours. A police report said the incident occurred at Moijing Awanglekai around 3:35 am. There were no casualties. Meanwhile, 2 drug peddlers were arrested and recovered brown sugar worth ₹1 crore from their possession at Kondong Lairimbi main checkpost along Imphal Moray Road yesterday. Meitei Christian Churches Council Manipur MCCM today celebrated its first Foundation Day at the Council head office at Chingmairong Assembly Road in Imphal. Council Senior Advisor Reverend Dr. H. Rakon, President Reverend M. Ranjit and General Secretary Reverend Rajkumar Lukoisana attended the function as main guests.